The last round has been unlikely someone in the audience going to £10. But I know the £10 being very comfortable. If anyone did find it in their heart to give me £10, we really don't mind that. Give me £20, and I'll make sure of that. I get really nervous when I do this, and when I get nervous, Dennis, you should get nervous too. Because when I get nervous, I sometimes pull myself. It's okay, sweetheart. You could not just hold your own conversation and just pretend you're interested for something. Seriously. When I let go everyone do that fetchy key to give me some good energy for the whole show, when I let go and do that fetchy key everyone just to give me some good energy for the show. Come on everybody, good energy everybody, come on everybody! Good on you guys. I go 1, 2, 3, and if I do it, everyone make twice as much noise as you did then. It's not for the trick, it's for the whole show. London, Covent Garden, I haven't let you down, I've given you 100%, so don't let me down on the count of 3. And then at the end, don't let me down, come forward, and I'll say thanks. I can only hear you on 3. 1, 2, I know the words. 2. Help me. Dennis is gonna... Dennis, everyone is gonna let go of the pole and just take a few steps back. So Dennis, if you just let go, buddy, and just take a few steps away from the pole. Thanks a lot everyone for being a wonderful, wonderful audience. Just before we come up, guys, I've got to do something really, really quickly. If Dennis just lets go of the pole. That's it, Dennis. Yep, that's good. And the guys holding the ropes are going to drop the ropes. And just before you come up, guys, I just want to quickly thank you guys, because without the guys on the stage now, I really couldn't have done the show. Thank you very, 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 very much. Dennis, thank you, my friend. And thanks everyone for watching and being a wonderful, wonderful audience. And guys, I'm going to stand with the bag and I'm going to say a big, big thank you to everyone for coming forward. The first one